Hello everyone. Today I am here with you all not to discuss about any chapter, any topic of science on my YouTube channel Science with Shekhar sir. So there is a saying, when the going gets tough, the tough gets going. Yes, none of us were prepared for the teaching learning process on virtual platform or virtual classroom. It was tough, but we took it as an opportunity to learn so that there is no pause in learning. While some of us were quick to adapt these devices and technology, some are still struggling. So here are a few simple steps to make online learning easy and fun. Right? So as we know that our children are attending the online classes throughout the day. So I am here with you all to discuss some points that how we can help the children to make that platform easy and comfortable. So the first part is that I have mentioned here some points. One is mobile screen magnifier. So it can be bought from the bookshops. Bookshops से बहुत easily मिल जाएगा. That I have bought from online. Not now, just before the online classes. So that you can buy a simple screen can be bought. And when the children will use this, so you can see here, okay, the screen will be magnified. Screen will be magnified. Okay, so it's helping the kids out क्योंकि सारा दिन वो eyes अपनी जो है उस पे लगा के रखते हैं मोबाइल के ऊपर and that can harm them also. So screen magnifier simple book stationery shop से आपको मिल जाएगा. So you can bought of any size and no need to buy this boxes. You can make it at home. Place the mobile और आगे कोई भी wooden piece या sport देके you can use that screen magnifier. तो उससे जो children है that will be very helpful. Really it will work. Secondly, type instead of write. Yes, type instead of write. When you write quickly, it's easier to use a computer. When we have to write quickly, it's easier to use a computer because teachers speak 2-3 words per second, while the average writing speed of student is 0.3 to 0.4 words. So if the teacher is speaking and you are studying noting down, then there can be a problem कि teacher आगे निकल गया और जो kids हैं वो पीछे रह जाते हैं, right? So it's better if you have the typing option. If you're sitting on the computer, you can meanwhile type, right? That will be the much better thing. Secondly, only write down the main ideas. Suppose the teacher is teaching a particular topic, right? Then no need to note down each and everything whatever the teacher is saying. Just listen and note down the only main points. Main points, major points, or sometimes teachers भी बता देते हैं कि these are the main points, so we should note it down. And if you are sitting at home using the book, so you can underline by these words, the main words which the teacher is focusing upon. Then concept map. As you must have seen in my videos that I am making the concept map for all the chapters. So इसी तरीके से concept map you can use in SST, math, science, in all subjects, right? You can try. No need for the teachers that के teacher ही करवाएगा. So students can also do at their own. They can sit at home and after completion of the chapter they can sit and they can just use the arrows and the zigzags as I used to do, right? So concept map is the better option. Then review and refresh. Review and refresh में क्या है कि weekly just sit for 10 minutes or 15 minutes subject wise and just review what we have done in the week, what I have done in the week, what is the topics I have covered, and you can just think over it. So the main problem that the parents are facing, the kids are using the mobile phones throughout the day, right? So to reduce this burden, try to use the screen magnifiers while you are attending the lectures. It will be very good. It will not give any strain on your eyes, right? And secondly, try to jot down only the main points, not each and everything what the teacher is saying, right? And don't be in hurry. And it's a new learning as all are doing. No need for any burden, any kind of burden for the kids. So this thing is a new learning for us and we all are on the learning stage and performing our best. Thank you so much, children and parents.